Okay, so let us read this question. A 100 kg wagon is pulled along a horizontal surface by applying a 60 Newton force at 60 degree above the horizontal. So there is a block here, you can call it wagon or something. So what is happening here is this is horizontal line, and there is a force that is acting on it at a certain angle. So this angle is given as 60 degree to us, and 100 kg is the mass here, and the force of 60 Newton is applied at 60 degrees. If the wagon moved by 20 meters, now wagon has covered a displacement of 20 meters, how much has its kinetic energy increased? So we need to find the change in the kinetic energy of this. Give your answer in joule. Um, and okay, so you may assume the frictional forces are negligible. Okay, so we need to find the change in kinetic energy here. So how can we do that? So first of all, we have to find the work done. The work will be done here. Okay, again, this question can also be done in from the methods of kinematics. First of all, we find the force component, we find the acceleration, and then the final velocity. You can find the kinetic energy, but we will do this question from conservation of energy principle. So we first of all we let us find the work done. So work is F into S. So what is the force here? Now we are going to have this component, that is F cos 60. So F cos 60 is the force, and what is the displacement? That is 20. And also we know that overall you can take the formula for the work as F into S cos theta. So you can directly apply this value. So 60 into cos 60 is half into 20. So there you are, you're getting 600 joule. So whatever is the work done here by the external force, that will come up as change in kinetic energy now. So what is the change in kinetic energy? So earlier the body was not moving, but now let us say the velocity became v. So earlier the velocity was 0. So I can say that now the change in energy is this, half into m into v square. So this number one equation and number two should be equal to each other, and from there we are going to find, okay, the question is how much kinetic energy has increased. So we are not supposed to find the velocity, only and only the energy is supposed to be found. So obviously this 600 joule energy that was spent in doing work, that will be given to the body as kinetic energy. So we can say that the change in energy will be 600 joule. So our answer for this question is 600 joule. Otherwise, if we are going to do with the laws of motion or kinematics equation, let me show you how to do it. So our force will be F cos 60. This will be equated with m into a. From there, we will find the acceleration. What is the force? 60 into cos 60 half divided by the mass, which is given as 100 kgs. So it is 30.3 meter per second square. And now because the displacement is given, so we are going to use v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and from here u is taken as 0, acceleration will be this, and the displacement will be 20. So it is 3 4s are 12, we can say. And now we want to find the kinetic energy. So half into m into v square will be directly taken as 12. So this is our kinetic energy. So this is 6. So by this way also you are getting the same answer, that is 600 joule. And here you were getting 600 joule here. So our answer is 600, and we have solved this question in two different methods here. So you can check both of them. So dear students, this is Professor Varun. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share the YouTube channel with all your friends. All the best. Bye.